Welcome back to Shedtune and welcome to the channel. And tonight I'm over at Shedtune HQ because we've got to build a new work ramp to get the cut down on. So without further ado, let's go and see the state of the workshop. The workshop. Give us a wave, Dom. So we were kindly donated this physio bed that we're going to convert into a workshop ramp. Oh, that's Dom. He's got to take his Viagra.
I'm going to take my call.
So the plan is, I think Dom's just going to
see how shit it is.
see how bad it actually is in condition wise.
Yes, how bad it is.
And then from that we'll formulate a plan.
See if we can do it as easy and as quickly as we can.
This is where I get to watch for a little bit, but I think what we'll do is we'll come back in a minute. Ta-da! One workbench. It raises up nice and high, pretty solid, cheap as chips, and it's going to be perfect for doing the cut down on.
Now to get the shit heap on it, literally, when you see the colour you'll realise it is a shit heap.
Right, so for those that are interested, the size of the top sheet we cut was, what was it again?
30 inches wide by 7 foot long.
30 inches by 7 foot long. The table itself was donated, so it was free, but I guess if you looked on somewhere like eBay, you'd probably get one for, well, not a lot. You'd have to go and get it though.
Like a hospital bed or a
massage table sort of thing.
Physiotherapy bed.
Yeah. Cut the screws as you saw, and it's probably taken us an hour to make that, and now it's ready for the cut down.
The other ones that we've done that we have made better. It's just that we needed a bench quickly. That's all right. You can lift it by that. It doesn't matter. I'm not keeping it. Perfect.
Well, there you go. Bench is built, cut downs on it. That's it for this video. Give us a thumbs up and a like. maybe put a few comments, tell us what benches you built yourself. In the next one, there'll be more cut down stuff. The stickers will be here, so if you want free stickers, drop us a line.
Oh, free stickers.
Free stickers.
Sweet.
I know we
I'll have
do,
some.
didn't we? Right, that's it. See ya.